Hey besties, today we're gonna use the neutral palette from Beauty Bay, and I'm gonna take this light taupey brown color and just put that in my crease, and just blend it out a little. I didn't want to do too much because we're gonna do a graphic liner, so I really didn't think we needed to do a lot of eyeshadow. So I'm just doing like just a light base. You know, you don't want to have nothing there because I mean, I have a lot of discoloration like on my eyelids. They tend to be a little darker from my veins and such. So then I did like a lighter bone white type of color on my lid, and I just fluffed them together, and then I just put the same shade under my brow, and like that was pretty much it for the eyeshadow. And then just like a light little shimmer on my inner corners, because who doesn't need a little highlight, right? Just a little light refraction. And then I went in with black. See, honestly, like for my makeup tutorials, I like to use a water-based face paint, or I don't know what. I mean, it's Mehron Paradise paints that I'm using, but for my tutorials, I like to use them rather than actual eyeliner, because usually I'm gonna just take it off anyway, and it's easier to remove, and then I'm, you know, wasting less product, because who wants to use a freaking $30 eyeliner and just wipe it right off, you know? But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. But if I was actually going out, like, you could use your regular eyeliner or a gel liner or whatever. So yeah, and then I did that one like above my crease, that little line. So the brush that I'm using is like a very thin brush, but the thing that helps it to come out good and like smooth is that it's a long brush. So I picked up like a set of these brushes from I think it was Hobby Lobby. It could have been Michael's, but I think it was Hobby Lobby. And so it was like a pack of brushes that were detail like liner brushes, and yeah, they're actually for painting, but who cares, right, if it works. So you don't need nothing crazy. This brush in particular is like my favorite one out of the pack that I got, and I believe it was like at least a good 10, 15 brushes that it came with for, I don't know, $12 maybe, something like that. So yeah, go check out Hobby Lobby or Michael's if you need some detail brushes, because they were good. And I love this brush for my my wing liner. It just helps a lot and it makes my life easier. So yeah, baby. So then I did that, and I filled that little area in, and the key to my looks like this is that you always like follow through with your line confidently. Like, don't make little stop motions. Just be confident in your one stroke, and then you can perfect it after. But you don't want to like make little lines and stop and start, and like, I don't know, for me anyway. And then also just always keep checking for symmetry with the other side. Like, everything you do, you should be checking the other side to make sure it's symmetrical. And then before you start the line, like, take a deep breath, make sure you're not like shaking, your hands are okay. You want to rest your like your pinky finger or your hand on your face, that way you can be more steady. And you know, you just go for it. I mean, I can't really teach you how to do line work because it's something that you need to practice, but I don't know, guys. you can do it. Anyone can do it. You just have to be confident and just keep trying, you know? Try like on a day that you're not going anywhere. Cuz then you don't have to worry about like ruining a whole look, you know? Like just try without any other makeup on. That would be my advice. So yeah, I made a few lines and I just keep going back and checking that it's symmetrical, which it's not always perfect, you know, but I think that kind of gives it some charm sometimes. And I don't know. I was watching something on TV, so that's why I keep looking up. But don't be afraid to experiment with your looks, you guys, because why not? Like what? Actually, if I could tell you a story, this is really funny, but every time I go to like Ulta or Sephora, right? Like if I go and I don't have my makeup done and I go like in sweatpants and a hoodie and my hair's a mess or something. I'll go and immediately everyone's like, "Oh, can we help you find something? What do you need? Blah blah blah," right? And they'll like follow me around the store a lot of times and just like watch me. Like I feel like they think I'm gonna like steal something or something. And then if I go to the store, like I did go to Ulta this day after I had filmed this, and I went with my son. So I'm in Ulta like looking everywhere because obviously like I in love. I want everything that they have. And I don't even know really what I have to get. Like I needed like one thing and I walk out with like 25 things. But it was funny because when I'm dressed and I have my makeup done and I look like the baddie that I am, okay? They really like I walk in and someone's like, "Hi, how are you?" or whatever, and that was it. And she was at the register, so she wasn't like at the door to greet me. And I said, you know, fine, whatever. Literally, the whole entire time I'm in there, looking everywhere for whatever I wanted. Like no one said anything to me. No one came up to me. No one asked me if I needed help. Nothing. So like, it was just funny to me because if I look presentable, I feel like I don't know, certain people are like either intimidated that maybe they won't know the answer to my question because I look like I know a lot about makeup, which I do. But it's just funny, like the comparison, because if I come in there like a mom on a bad day, then it's like, is this girl gonna steal something? It's just funny to me, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you feel like that, because I swear it's not only at Ulta, but it happens at Sephora too. And I'm like, okay. But anyway, I did find a couple things, and I'll make some videos about it. But at this point, I'm just putting a lip liner from NYX, and it's like a brown shade. Oftentimes, like I don't know, like in my like recent years, I don't know, like if I'm getting old, guys, I don't know, but I don't really love wearing lipstick anymore. Like I just like a little bit of liner and some gloss, and sometimes I like block the color out with concealer or my foundation or whatever, but the liner and the gloss is like it for me. Like I love that because it just it looks more natural, like, and but like also put together, but like I don't have to like keep reapplying. I mean I do, well yeah I do, because lip gloss like fades when you're drinking stuff and eating or whatever, but like I don't know, it just looks good to me. I like it. I don't care if you don't. If you do, holla at me in the comments. But this is my final look, and it was like a 90s grungy modern you know, vibe. I like my outfit. Let me know what y'all think. But I had the little trenchy, my little hoodie. When I was in a hoodie, it was a crew neck, but and then those were the Hirachi crafts, and I actually didn't know they were like they had pink on them when I ordered them, but they were so cute. And that was my fit of the day, my outfit of the day, baby. Like and subscribe. Love you.